Hey, I'm Mike, owner of Eurowise. We're located in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're known for European automotive service, performance, and fabrication. For our crazy early Volkswagen conversions, we manufacture our own products. We do just about everything under the sun. I started the business about 12 years ago to offer a dealership alternative to, servicing your car, whether it be a Volkswagen or a Mercedes or a BMW. I'd say the majority of the guys that work at Eurowise have a deep passion for cars. We're just not like other mechanics where, they're just there to work. We actually love coming to work. We love the product that we create. So it all started off as a hobby, in high school. Then I, became a technician for Volkswagen for 4 years down in Charleston, South Carolina. And, I was working out of my garage at home doing side work. Ended up making more money than I was working at my normal job. So I kind of took a leap of faith one day, found an ad in the Craigslist and opened up my own shop. 12 years later, this is where we are. Halfway through owning the shop, my interest was always performance. So I needed something to kind of drive me, to get me motivated to coming to work other than just changing oils and doing timing belt services. So we started slowly developing small parts for customers and then an online store. After that, kind of led into making engine conversion kits for early Volkswagens, which kind of put us on the map. Porsche, Ferrari, just about anything you can think of. We're manufacturing exhaust systems to suspension lift kits. We're on the internet. Shop.eurowise.com is where we sell all of our products. Eurowise.com, also social media and Facebook. You can find us anywhere on social media.
Hey, my name's Dylan. I'm the service manager at Eurowise. Myself and the crew here at Eurowise have a big passion for all things automotive and performance related, so being able to share that with our customers and help them is a lot of fun.